Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how we can customize Quick Launch. Basically, how we can customize your side key double press feature. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Right now when you are in the settings you have to scroll down and find advanced features. We have to enter for it, then go for the side key. And when we are here, as you can see, we can pick to quickly open the camera, we can open Bixby, and we can also open other applications. So let's go here. And for example, we can quickly open the YouTube. So let's pick it like that. And right now when you quickly double press power key, we are able to open YouTube. So you can also link any other application. You have to decide what you want. In my case, that's the best solution. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.